Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So how are you all? Hope you are very well. Today I have shared with more gorgeous videos. You look so pretty and gorgeous videos and amazing designs, amazing ideas, amazing gorgeous ideas. And this is so fantastic designs, and this video all about the balcony garden balcony garden decoration ideas जो कि बहुत elegant and gorgeous videos में I will be sharing ideas on how to decorate your balcony garden and with plants, creating a refreshing and vibrant atmosphere and amazing videos. Window gardens transform your window sills into a botanical balcony display by create a mini garden. Select plants that thrive in bright light such as succulents, aloe vera, or herbals. Arrange them in decorative or hanging plants. Maximize the sunlight and bring natural lights into your kitchen. And into your different gardens, like kitchens, balcony gardens, and more amazing spaces ideas, more amazing videos, and so elegant designs, elegant videos. Statement planters make a bold statement with eye-catching planters. Opt for hello everyone. Clean lines and naturals and freshing plants for unique tech designs such as geometric shapes, women's baskets, or colorful ceramics to add a touch of personality to your plants collection. Mix and match different planter styles and sizes to create an eclectic, visual appealing arrangement. So thanks for watching. Take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.